Hello, and welcome back to my channel and the second video of the Light Elegance Fall Collection of 2023 LE Rocks. In the previous video, you got my Antesso's first impressions of the collection. It is stunning, of course. And here you can also see the new packaging, which I absolutely love. It is so cute. I have been using Light Elegance products for probably the past 10 years, probably more. And they have been switching up, the packaging a little bit here and there during these years. But I must say that this new packaging for the glitter gels are my favorite for sure. And just look like with the buttercreams and everything, it just chef's kiss. It looks so nice. So let's get started and let's do some nail art. We are gonna continue with the same theme as with the previous nail art videos, where I basically just do all the colors on 3 nails. We got the thumb, we got the pinky, and then something in between. So it's gonna work for my index, middle, and ring finger. And then we are going to combine everything, see what kind of cool color combinations that we can come up with. And then I'm going to show you some nail art that you can do with this and how to combine the nail art to create really nice sets. And here I am basically just applying 2 layers of each color so that I have everything to work with. And for some of these colors, I'm gonna pop some glitter on so that we can see kind of how that works together. But I am really happy that you really seem to like these kind of videos where I do color combinations together with the nail art, just to kind of see what you can do at the salon, because I totally get it. You get a full collection of 12 colors and glitters and you brain freeze because it is just so much pretty stuff and you want to use everything, and your client want to have everything, and you're like, how can I combine this to look good and not look messy, but add as much as I can, because of course you want to use everything. So this is what we're gonna do here. I'm gonna show you both like combinations where it's more like monochromic, and then you have where you basically just mix everything up and have lots of fun with it. And if you have not tried out the Light Elegance glitter gels yet, oh my gosh, just please go ahead and try 1 or 2. Maybe get the full fall collection. Just look at this glitter. It is definitely one of my favorites. It has like an uneven edge of the glitter specks, so it looks like crushed foil almost, like really cute. But let's get into the nail art and the fun stuff. So I have decided to use Taken for Granted as my base for all my nail art tips or nail art nails, and then I'm going to add the other colors on top and just mix and match. I also decided that I wanted to add a little bit of gold, so I am using the gold metallic buttercream. That is something that I also really want to push because both like the metallic gold and metallic silver with the buttercreams, they are absolutely amazing, and I recommend it to anyone who wants to get started with Light Elegance and especially do nail art. They go on like butter, like nothing else. Like, they are absolutely amazing, super pigmented. You can have like so much fun with it. Tesso actually tried it out recently. She also fell in love with it. She thanked me for recommending it to her. So yeah, just take my word for it, go and grab it and have fun. So anyways, here we are doing a checkered nail, which is super trendy for fall, and just in general, it's like the checkered nails are really popular right now. Just checkered in general, like when it comes to products and clothes and everything. I love it. So first I added the green on top of the granite, and I felt like it needs a little bit of pop, so I popped up my gold metallic and I did a frame, and I was like, yeah, this is better, definitely better. But like, I can do more. So let's just go in between the checkered stuff as well, because I can. And of course, I'm using my stripy brush for this, which is also like a life savior if you're having trouble with straight lines and all that. Please, please, please just try out the stripy. It is amazing. I have hand counted the bristles myself to make it into the perfect striping brush, and I love it. I use it all the time. Now for the second nail, I started off with the same base, but adding more colors to it. So I am basically just doing like a 70s swirl with this, because I feel like these colors are perfect for 70s swirls. And then we're gonna add some other little details on top of it. I'm using my swirly brush, by the way, to add the swirls. I know, very convenient. That is absolutely not the reason why I named it swirly, not at all. But yeah, so but yeah, swirly is perfect for swirls and filling in larger areas. But now we are going to add some flowers, because, you know, 70s style, whatever. Started out with the gold metallic as the center of the flowers. Then I am coming in with my swirly once again and some white gel paint, and very, very easily just adding these little petals around the center. Finishing off with some matte. By the way, I am doing matte on all nails, but I guess you could figure that out. I tend to do that. And then I added, you know, a little bit of extra gold there. So for the third nail, I figured that, you know, we have fall, we have the theme LA Rocks, so people are naturally gonna steer towards, you know, crystals, rocks, and all that. And I felt like, oh, I am not gonna do that because everyone else is gonna do it. So I decided that I wanted to do mushrooms, and that is definitely not something that people would do around fall time. I don't know what people would do, but definitely not mushrooms. Anyways, so I went with mushrooms, and I'm using the red, the blood red. It is so pretty. And then going in with my metallic gel paint gold once again, just tying everything up to make it look neat and nice. And coming in with some white dots, so they're gonna look super poisonous. And you can't have mushrooms without some stars. So yeah, we're adding some stars. And I'm using my stripy brush again. I love to create stars with this brush. Like gel paint and my stripy brush, you will have the perfect star. Just trust me on this. And I don't know, it just looks so cute with the stars. It looks a little bit like mysterious. You get more of that fall, autumn feeling. And then I felt like, you know, it's a little bit empty actually at the bottom. So I added a little bit green here. So you can kind of think of it as like a mossy road or whatever mushrooms like to live in. So yeah, and finishing off with some matte, of course. And for the last nail art nail, using the same base as usual, and then coming in with perfect cut to create a smile line. And here I am using my trusty stripy brush to create the smile line. And once that is done, I come in with swirly to fill in the tip. And finishing off with my smile line bling brush. And this is a really, really, really good brush to keep around. Just like when you want to correct stuff, I love to use it. So after I've cured the first red, I'm coming in with some gel paint and cleaning up with, once again, my smile line bling brush. And here I felt like, well, I can't just leave it like this because that would be, I mean, it's pretty, but it's boring. We want to add something more. So why not create a leaf branch of some sort? with Rock My World. So using my stripey brush again, I mean, you can tell how versatile it is. You can use it for so much. It is amazing. You can get those teeny tiny lines with it. I just love it. I want to marry it. But anyways, so yeah, creating that little leafy branchy thing, and did everything matte. And after that, I felt like, well, it's still missing something, and I want to tie it together with the other nails. So yeah, coming in with my gold again. And it's so pretty. And then I felt like, okay, I have a line up here, but I can do more with my leafy branch. And so I added some highlights to the leaves and the stem. And I love the look and the result. And then I felt like, well, the other nails are pretty boring now. So then I grabbed my stripey brush and my gold metallic, and then I just created a line going straight across the nail. And it really ties everything together. So here, let's just try out some combinations without the nail art nails so that you can see kind of what happens. So here I'm basically just rotating everything, what is it, clockwise? And you can see what happens. Like, just like that, something else is happening. So you can see that everything here goes with everything. And now I am just moving the pinky nails around to create more combinations. And make sure to take a screenshot of the final image here so that you can see the different combinations and maybe get some inspiration from this. But, you know, as I always say in these collection videos, is that Light Elegance have already done all the work for you. So you can't go wrong with the combinations. Just have fun with it. So let's see what we can do with, you know, the nail art nails. Picking up some green from the design here, and then coming in with some pink or like fuchsia that we have in the flower nail, and you have the gold in here and everything. Like, this looks really put together. So for the next nail, I am going to pick out the glitter with the same base as, you know, the base of the nail art nails. And then we have the red, ties it together with the tip. So, really nice. Let's try out another combination. So let's go monochromatic. Picking out the red from the tip and doing everything red. And for the top set, let's do a little bit of that brownish that you have actually at the tip of the flower nail. So this is also more monochromatic, but you have the glitter in here as well. So one last combination using two nail art nails. We have the green here, and we have the red, which is picking up again from the nail art nails, and then a little bit of extra sparkle. And now let's try and see what we can do with just one nail art nail, because not every client is going to want to have, you know, a lot of nail art. Maybe they just want to have one. So let's do a little bit more easy on the eye. So we got the green, and then we have the base granite color. This is very easy on the eye. It's very not monochromatic, but almost. And then for the next set, even more monochrome. So we're gonna do kind of the same theme. We have the base granite, and then we have the red to tie it with the tip. So yeah, let's do it with the other nails because, you know, we can. So for the first tip, let's start out with, let's do something super monochrome. So we're gonna go all green again, together with the base granite. So you're picking up that and the green, and then you have the gold. So you have three things going on here, color-wise. And then if you want to switch it up, you want to make it a little bit more crazy, let's go in with the purple, but still make it, you know, we have more colors going on, but we can still make it like easy on the eye. So we're picking up the granite color, and then we just have the purple in there. So this is still not, it's not messy, but we have more colors in here. And then for the last tip, just picking up that tip color from the flower nail, and with the green, of course. So this is also very easy on the eye. So let's see what this would actually look on a hand. So here we have one of the combinations. I love it. I think it's so cute. It ties together so well with the red on the nail art nails, and then the green, and then we have the gold, white, and black. You can always add that like as much as you like. And then the second set, going a little bit more crazy, but it is still cohesive because we're picking up, once again, you know, that fuchsia pinkish color from one of the nail art nails. And then adding just a little pop of glitter, which is put on the base color that we have at the tip right there at the flower nail. So it ties together very nicely. And those were my color suggestions for you. Make sure to save this video so that you can always come back to it if you feel stuck, if you don't know what to do. But I do recommend this collection. It is stunning, it is beautiful, it is so versatile. You can use it for so much, and you can see how many glitters that I actually didn't use today. So I mean, you have so many combinations, and don't worry about combining stuff because Light Elegance, you know, as mentioned, they did everything for you. You don't have to worry, and that is so nice. And the best thing of all is that you don't have to wait because it's already out. You can grab it now. So do that, and make sure to follow Light Elegance YouTube channel for more tips and tricks and product reviews, or like not reviews because that's what I do, but product presentations. Okay, anyways, see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.